Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about HCSS Software Tutorial 2025, how to use for construction management. Managing construction projects involves a wide range of tasks, from job scheduling and budgeting to equipment tracking and maintaining site safety. With so many moving parts, it is essential to have a reliable system in place to streamline workflows and improve efficiency. That is where HCSS or Heavy Construction Systems Specialist comes in. HCSS is a comprehensive construction management software suite designed to meet the unique needs of the heavy civil and infrastructure sectors. It offers powerful tools for time tracking, project planning, equipment maintenance, safety reporting, and digital plan management. By consolidating these capabilities into one platform, HCCS helps construction teams stay organized, reduce downtime, and keep projects on schedule and within budget. Whether you are working in the field or managing operations from the office, HCCS bridges the communication gap with real-time data syncing and mobile-friendly tools. In this 2025 tutorial, we will guide you through HCCS key features using simple, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in into HCSS. Step 1. Log into HCSS platform. Access the HCSS platform via desktop or mobile. Enter your company-provided username and password. Select the appropriate module from the dashboard. Heavy job, safety, plans, etc. Step 2. Track field data using Heavy Job. Open the Heavy Job module. Create a new daily report. Enter job code, crew hours, equipment usage, and material data. Upload photos and comments. Sync your report to send it to the office. Step 3. Schedule crews and equipment with HCSS Dispatcher. Launch the Dispatcher module. Use the drag and drop scheduler to assign operators and equipment. Resolve any conflicts or double bookings. Save the schedule and notify teams if needed. Step 4. Monitor equipment with HCSS Telematics. Open Telematics from the dashboard. View real-time GPS locations of all equipment. Check for any alerts or maintenance issues. Review fuel consumption and idle times. Step 5. Remote job site safety with HCSS Safety. Open the Safety module. Record safety meetings and toolbox talks. Log incidents, near misses, or inspections. Complete and submit daily checklist. Step 6. Access and annotate plans with HCSS Plans. Launch the Plans module. Open current drawings and blueprints. Use annotation tools to add notes or measurements. Share updates with team members instantly. Step 7. Use reporting and analytics. Navigate to the reporting section. Generate reports by selecting filters and KPIs. Export reports for productivity, cost, or safety. Customize dashboards for each department's needs. Step 8. Get help and training. Access HCSS tutorials and webinars from the Help menu. Attend live training or request one-on-one sessions. Contact 24/7 tech support for urgent issues. Start your HCSS journey by focusing on foundational modules such as Heavy Job or HCSS Safety. These core tools provide immediate value by streamlining time tracking, reporting, and safety compliance. As your team becomes more comfortable and experienced with the software, begin to explore additional modules like HCSS Dispatcher for scheduling or HCSS Telematics for equipment tracking. Introducing these tools gradually allows your staff to learn without feeling overwhelmed. It is also important to regularly assess your workflows and utilize the built-in reporting and analytics tools to monitor productivity, spot inefficiencies, and evaluate ROI. Encourage team feedback and adapt your usage of SPSS features based on real-world experience and evolving project needs. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.